Good afternoon on behalf of True Online Wealth. My name is Wakefield, and what I want to talk to y'all today about, it's just something about this flyer. I don't know. It's just it's I want to say it's there. I'm gonna just say it's definitely one of the people's favorites. I don't know because I just don't know. Some people just this one just stands out at the head of the pack compared to all my other flyers, and that's the highly converting and highly popular Millionaire Mailer 3 program. This thing right here creates massive leverage. It's extremely powerful, and a lot of people really like this a lot. Uh, as you can see, it's only going to cost you $200 to get started. You're gonna send me 100. You're gonna send the money to 100, and it pays 3 levels deep. You know, it's 4 levels, but the monitor gets the fourth level, so it pays $100, 3 levels deep. Uh, this one right here is just really popular, and it's a lot of people been having a lot of success with this one right here. And all you do is you mail out consistently every week or every day or every other day, and you get your downline to do the same thing. Uh, this is one of the highest converting programs I think I've seen in a while. And if I were you, I will hop on board as soon as I can. Uh, like I say, it's only gonna cost you 200. It would normally cost you 500, but as you can see, my flyer. I mean, it would normally cost you 400. I'm sorry about that, but it's only gonna cost you 200 because my flyer has 2 free spaces. So, uh, that's a good deal. And not only are you going to get your camera ready flyers, you're going to get your mail report, and it's going to teach you how to approach mail order business if you are currently a newbie. But if you're not, it'll just be an addition or additional knowledge to what you already might know about mail order. But it's just something about uh, the Millionaire Mailer 3 that just people just love. And like I say, you just want to mail out every day, every other week, and get your downline to do the same thing because it's about duplication if you want to create a good mailing team. And that's what you call creating massive leverage. And that is extremely powerful. I tell people, just imagine having your name with thousands of flyers. I mean, on thousands of flyers or on tens of thousands of flyers, each with a chance to bring you $100. So that's really something to think about. So, uh, if I were you, I would go ahead and hop on board and get the mailing and uh, get your downline to do the same thing. So what I'm gonna do is put a link to my blog below and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. And when you get to my blog, go to the mail order programs tab. And that's it. Get started. And you also, when you get over to the blog, you might want to check out my stamp program, because that will help you generate stamps, so the postage won't be that much of a effective cost problem for you as you continue to mail out. And like I say, you're gonna save $200 because my flyer has 2 free spaces. So click on the blog below, go to the mail order programs tab, check out all my other stuff. Check out my online stuff that I do as well. That's over there at the blog. And go to the mail order programs tab and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.